Hi to all healthy people. Again, cooking process is running on. And I'm sure you like sweets, but what about the healthy sweets? What usually I do for not waste the food, if I have too many berries, I just froze it, or bananas, I just froze it as well. Or greens, whatever, what usually dried for use it later. So make ice cream exactly like last time from frozen bananas, and the small pieces can frost really easily. And yeah, it's low calories. And I don't remember what it was last time. I guess it was vanilla, so we can add some vanilla and cinnamon. So always you can have a different flavor. If you have not enough of good oil, you can add a little bit of peanut oil or coconut oil, whatever. At least if it's natural. If you're vegan, we can use almond milk. This time I was lazy to make by myself, so I just bought. If you are not a vegan, you can use just any normal milk. If you can find organic, even better. And for decorate our ice cream, we'll take a different kind of nuts and seeds, and after we'll just smash it for make it smaller pieces and put it on the top. That's it. You can use the small blender or big blender. Actually, it's quite easy to blend it. Compare if you do the peanut butter, for instance. Yeah. By the way, if your diet have not enough protein, we can add some protein powder. It took a couple of minutes and it's ready. I think I put the milk too much. If you will put it less, it will be more solid. And believe me, it tastes just amazing. And our decoration. Something like that. Let's try. Brilliant.